Looking for a way to modernise tenant relations and encourage channel shift? Arian's self-service solution helps you to improve communication and empower your tenants. Our customer portal and mobile app offers tenants 24/7 access to essential information, giving them the independence to manage many aspects of their tenancy themselves. They can update details, set up direct debits, pay rent, raise repairs, schedule appointments, and more, all at their fingertips. Our intuitive interface ensures ease of use, enhancing tenant satisfaction and operational efficiency. This autonomy frees your resources, allowing you to focus on complex tasks and direct support to more vulnerable tenants. Transform your operations today with Arian's self-service solution.